Hi guys, hope you are fine. Me too, niko salama. Hi, I'm Naomi, the health champion. Welcome and welcome back, guys. For the returning subscribers, thank you for appreciating my content. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting, and thank you for sharing. For the new subscribers, welcome so much, guys. So today, as you have seen from our title down below, guys, I'm revealing a strategy on how to add weight. I'm revealing a secret, guys. This applies to skinny guys and girls. Also, it applies to teenagers who feel or have confirmed whether they are underweight. And the best way to know if you are underweight, guys, is through calculating your BMI, as you saw on our previous video, guys. But if you missed, go and watch so that you will know how to do it, guys. So guys, I hope you will do this and you will let me know how it goes. And there is a disclaimer here, guys. If you are experiencing extremely low loss of weight, guys, or you have low body weight, guys, please visit your doctor, discuss for more information about the situation. So guys, I know how funny and how ironic it is when you are struggling to lose weight and people around you are also busy struggling to lose weight, guys, and telling you you are okay with your weight. So funny. So today, guys, I want to reveal to you. So first, we need to build our muscles through walking, swimming, or cycling. We need bodybuilding food. We need starch and carbohydrates, guys. So first, at breakfast, you have three options. First option, you can take milk with toast or bread with butter, with peanut butter and eggs. That's option one. Option two, you can take porridge made with milk. We call it uji power, made with milk, nuts. Yeah. Option three, you can take 3 bananas with 1 glass of milk. You can take it as a whole, or we just blend it and drink it. After breakfast, before lunch, you need some snacks. And for this case, you can take mango juice blended, or you can just take a mango, chopped mango. You can take avocado, either chopped or you blend it as juice. You can take banana blended, or just you take it as a whole if your breakfast was banana was not included. And for this, for mango, avocado and banana, just blend with milk, guys, and take it as smoothie or take it as whole. For lunch, you also have two options. Rice is rich in carbohydrates, guys, and it's good when you want to add weight. You take it served with beans, peas, or green grams, or lentils, or chicken, or fish, or red meat, or beef stew. That's the best for lunch. Option two is potatoes. You can take it smashed, chopped, or you can just take it served with beans, lentils, beef, chicken, or fish. That's the best for adding meat. For after lunch, before dinner, you also need a snack. You can take dates, you can take nuts and seeds, you can take popcorns, you can take mango juice blended, you can take avocado blended or whole, you can take banana blended or whole. If at all at breakfast and before lunch you didn't take them. For dinner, you have two options also. You can take ugali served with beef stew. You can take spaghetti served with again beans or dengu or lentils or fish or chicken breast. That's the best option. Or you can take chapati also served with beef stew, beans, lentils, green drums. That's still the best option, guys. So this will take 1 to 2 months, but during the first month you will see some positive changes, guys. As long as you are consistent with what you are doing, guys, with what you are taking. Don't worry, guys. I know you will ask yourself why this diet is repetitive. It's repeating itself. The reason is our main strategy is to gain weight, guys. As long as it's balanced diet, guys. And also, don't forget to take water. Water is basic and necessary during process of adding weight, guys. Don't forget to take water, and it's also healthy to take water. All the servings, guys, the breakfast, the lunch, the dinner, don't forget to add vegetables, guys. For instance, broccoli, spinach, cabbage. Take your dinner, lunch, served with vegetables also, guys. This is even more basic during weight gain. So, guys, uh, the last strategy is about exercise. As I said earlier, we need to build our muscles. For us to gain weight, we have to build our muscles. So every day, make sure you walk. Maybe you swim, maybe you cycle, as form of doing exercise, and you will build your muscles, guys. So, guys, hope you will do this. Hope you will try this, and let me know how it goes, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this end. I appreciate. Please stay tuned for the next video, a life-changing video, because your life matters and happiness begins with good health, guys. Bye, guys. Stay tuned.